Can you please repeat the first advice given to the questioner regarding how to traverse the path that has become overgrown and almost invisible? Well, there's only one answer to this, which is Imam al-Haddad's real intention in the whole qasida, which is it has to take the form of this virtue called Hima, which means aspiration. The love which one has for Allah and for the Prophet ﷺ, and for the loved ones of the Ummah, the pure ones of the Ummah, living and dead, has to manifest itself in a desire to emulate them, inwardly as well as outwardly, and has to have motivation. And wherever there is that motivation, then the path becomes easy. But where there is no motivation, or to the extent that it is weak, we can't make much progress. And the beginning and the end of the problems of the modern Muslim world is that we no longer have an authentically religious motivation. We may wish to establish the Islamic State, that's fine in its context. We may wish to learn Islamic economics, that's fine in its context, but none of it will help us in the Akhirah unless we have this himma, this desire, this nostalgia to return to the point from which we came. And the tariq is simply that. Just as the sharia means a way and a madhab means a way, it's not an end in itself. If you treat it as an end in itself, that's a form of idolatry. So also tariqah means a way, not an end in itself. The objective is not to be a Sufi or to have a particular state. The objective is to return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to acquire this Quranic qualification of al-qalb as-salim.